got us one big catfish here. Oh, he got off, I think. I think he got off. No, he's still there. He's a big boy. Alright. Woo-wee! Check this guy out, huh? Alright, there he is. It's a nice catfish. Nice, healthy, 7-8 pound cat. And we'll turn him loose. Fish on. Double fish on. Alright, that's one fish. Oh God, he's huge too. He's huge. Now there's another one on. Yeah. He's still on there. I've already got the net on this one. Oh, he got off. He was just as big as this first one I caught. But I caught them both at the same time. So, man, you talk about being screwed. Not only that, but a boat come by, knocked my camera over. So I was screwing with it. While them fish were on. Alright. Whew. Well, I think I got the bigger of the two, but I'm not sure. There he is, folks. Now that is a dandy fish right there. Let's get a weight on this guy. 9 pounds. And there he is. We're gonna let him go. Whoa! There he goes. Alright. Back to more comfortable, light-colored clothing. Okay, we got a fish on here. Cameras are rocking. Oh boy. I hope I don't need the big net on him. If I do, I'm in trouble. Got my net up. He could still get caught. Alright. He's around there now. Okay, he's over here now. Now I just have to be patient. Tar him out. I just gotta hope now that everything kind of holds together here while it tires out. Still haven't actually, yeah, it's a big flathead, and I really need the big net would be the best to land him on, if I could somehow swing it. I really wasn't prepared for this. Alright, that's good. I got it. The big net's out. danger zone here. Uh-oh, there goes my other poles. I got another fish on the other pole down there, yanking away. Got it! Alright, I got the other poles going down here. Before I can bring this in, I gotta get them other poles before they get pulled overboard. God darn it! You can see they're both gone, and one's just laying there. What the hell? I can't lift this thing. Okay, he's alright. Let's go down there and get this other one here. Alright, that's going to be a channel. And it's a big boy. I'm just going to have to risk pulling him in this way. That way he come off. That's actually a good thing. Alright, this one's empty. Alright, time for a timeout. It's all a mess, and we'll have to see what I got. Gotta throw my back out. We'll get a weight on him right off the bat here. Oh, it says 16 pounds. That's what it says. I don't believe it. That's what it says. And there he is. Okay. That is one nice size. Oh, that might be about right. About 16 pounds. That could be about right. And we're going to release him. And there you go. He's a pretty nice little catfish. There he goes. Alright, now it's all about getting back to normal.